Hello everyone, we are the team who's going to talk about NXP, as you can see. But before that, let's start by introducing to you my teammates, starting with Jimenez, Garcia, Santiago, Garcia, Camacho, Gonzalo, Lopez, Bueno, Manuel, Castañeda, Lopez, Joel, Yamaguchi, Juan, Pablo, and me, Gaspar, Aguilar, Ulisses, Kalemi. And we are from the group 3-2, and this presentation is for the class of written texts in English of the teacher Elva, Cristina, Moreno, Candil. Okay, so let's start this presentation by showing you the content of it, which consists of an introduction, so you can have an overview of this company, general information and some facts, the history that the company has had over the years, the presence of the company in different countries, and the different jobs they have available in various areas, and some of the products the company offers. And with that said, let's continue with the introduction. In this presentation, we're going to talk about NXP Semiconductors, as you know. And this is a company with more than 60 years of experience and a company that enables secure connections for a smarter world in different markets with advancing solutions that make lives easier, better, and safer. Now we're going to talk about the general information about the company. NXP is a worldwide company with presence in more than 30 countries, having their headquarters in Eindhoven, Netherlands. They have more than 29,000 employees, which 11,000 of them are engineers. NXP Semiconductors counts with more than 60 years of history working to develop technologies for a better world when combined experience and professionalism. They count with 9,500 patent families, and they had a revenue of $8.6 billion in 2020. And if you was wondering, the name NXP refers to the phrase next experience. Now let's talk about the history of the company. NXP Semiconductors has history back from the 1940s, when their first product, a point contact transistor. But the company was formally founded in 1953 as a subsidiary of Royal Philips, a Dutch multinational conglomerate corporation. When the time they have devoted themselves to research and development. Due to their efforts in helping to shape the future of semiconductor technologies, in 1986 the company became Europe's largest semiconductor manufacturer. In 2006, Philips Semiconductors renamed NXP, becoming an independent entity from Royal Philips after 53 years in operation. The company name NXP was announced in August 31, 2006 and was officially launched during the IFA Consumer Electronics Show in Berlin. Under their new name, they have continued to pave the way for the future of the industry. In 2015, NXP and Freescale merged into the world's fourth largest semiconductor company and largest automotive supplier. And recently, in 2020, NXP introduces S32G networking processor, unlocking the value of vehicle data.
Why was it founded? The company was formally founded in the 1953 as part of the electrical and electronic firm of Royal Philips, as Philips Semiconductors to expand their investment. But in the 2006, Royal Philips was winning an initial public offer for the unit. They're expected to reap $8.2 billion in cash proceeds after tax and transaction costs. Royal Philips Electronics Inc. a deal to sell an 80.1% stake in its semiconductor unit to a private equity consortium consisting of Colbert, Kravis, Roberts, and Corporated Silver Lake Partners and Alphabet Partners and B keeping 19.9% of the stake in the business. In short words, NXP was founded because Philips said that you need to produce more predictable earnings and to move into higher margin business. The semiconductor industry can be prone to demand swings that can hurt profits. Presence in the world. NXP is a multinational company having locations around the world. The company has operations in more than 35 countries, with engineering design teams in 23 countries. NXP currently has 14 manufacturing sites, with 7 test and assembly sites and 7 wafer fabs. In America, they have presence in Canada, United States, and Mexico. In Mexico, they have a location in Guadalajara, Jalisco, which is considered the Silicon Valley of Mexico. In the Asia-Pacific region, they have locations in Greater China, India, Japan, Korea, Malaysia, Singapore, and Thailand. In the region of Europe Middle East, they have presence in Austria, Belgium, Czech Republic, France, Germany, Italy, Netherlands HQ, Nordic and Baltic countries, Romania, Russia, and United Kingdom.
Job offers. In NXP, their jobs vacancies divided by areas like research and development, manufacturing, information technology, marketing, supply chain management, sales, human resource, real estate, and etc. In this case, we are going to take a look at the job offers in the information technology area in Mexico. In the IT area, there are job offers like business system data analyst, cloud engineer, application developer, project manager, full stack with developer, sales system architects, and etc. But we are going to show you the first 3 jobs mentioned so you can have an view of the different skill requirements and the profile you need to have to apply for the jobs. Business System Data Analyst. To apply for this job, you need to have a following skill and requirement: industrial engineer or similar knowledge experience required, fluent English required, oriented not to continuous improvement preferred, business process developed preferred. And a few of the activities you have to do are develop and execute proper testing to validate new modified system solutions. Provide traditional support of system and tools are required. Creation and communication of training material as required.
Cloud engineer. If you want to work as a cloud engineer, you will work closely with customers to understand their technology and business needs, and the testing schedule highly available and resilient cloud solution based on test business needs. And the responsibilities you are going to have are perform configuration management and disaster coverage tests, proving analytics and forecast for cloud capacity, through hosting analysis and uptime, enhancing monitoring of systems, service, and hardware to solve problems before they become problems for our customers. The profile you need to have is technical degrees or equivalent professional experience, 5 or more years of designing and implementing disrupt, architect or application, 3 and 5 years of cloud-based operation background, understanding concepts such as disrupt system, alerting, monitoring, logging, and incident management. Application developer. As an application developer, you are responsible for DevStore, which is a business-critical application that distributes secure product-related content, documents, and firewalls. The application developer keeps the solution running and actively monitors the foreman while doing the day-to-day operation tests and answer handling. And a feat other responsibilities you are going to have are maintain the current store platform in product weight, develop new features and records be the business, monitor system performance, behavior and take corrective action if required. And the profile you need to have is 5 years of progressive experience with the required with tools, technology, framework, and architect. Full stack developer ability used to deliver state-of-the-art secure web enterprise solution.
NXP Markets. As you can watch, the presence or main tech markets, NXP are focused on air, automotive, industrial and yacht, mobile communication infrastructure, and smart home and smart city as well. NXP products. NXP Semiconductors sell various products in different areas like automotive products, processor, and microcontrollers, audio interface, power management, RF, RFID, NFC, security and authentication, sensor, wireless connectivity, and smart city. But where I'm going to show just 3 of them.
Edge lock. The product configuration supports the latest LUT security use case such as sensor data protection, secure access to LUT service, LUT device commissioning and personalization, and Wi-Fi credential protection. This support is in addition to the already known use case, including secure cloud onboarding, device-to-device authentication, device integrity protection and attestation, as well as device traceability and proof of origin, for a unitary price of $1.08. TDF 8613TH, which is a car audio amplifier. The next product is a car audio amplifier with high efficiency, low quiescent current, operating voltage from 6 volts to 24 volts, for a unitary price of $4.94 nets. We are going to show you a video to give you an idea of what the chip is used for.
I'm Roland Jan from NXP's business line Car Infotainment and Driver Assistance, and I would like to show you here a reference design that we developed for sound systems with our Class D audio amplifiers. The NXP Class D audio amplifiers provide unprecedented sound quality, low system cost, and best-in-class scalability across applications. So we developed this reference design here to show scalability, and you see here 4 building blocks. At the heart of those building blocks is the NXP Class D audio amplifier that comes in different flavors. We have here the mid-power amplifier for up to 25 volts supply voltage. that comes in different configurations, 3-channel, 4-channel and 5-channel configurations, and provides you with 85 watt output power per channel. And then we have also a high power amplifier, 4-channel for up to 45 volts supply voltage, and that provides you with 150 watt output power per channel. Customers using the NXP Class D audio amplifier product family can design one generic scalable sound system, and depending on specific OEM requirements, they can reconfigure that, and with that they save R&D effort and time to market. I would like to conclude this video by showing you a design of one of our prominent sound system customers, Harman, and they use 3 of our high power amplifiers, and for this board that provides them with roughly 1800 watts output power. Thanks for watching.
USB Type-C. The USB Type-C by NXP has the following characteristics. The device pinouts are optimized to match different application layouts. It's a 2 differential channel, 2-to-1 multiplexer. The multiplexer switch for USB 3.1, PCI Express Generation 3, or other high-speed serial interface application. For a unitary price of $0.57. Next, we are going to show you a video of the different uses of the USB Type-C.
Presenting the USB Type-C interface with new features including a reversible and robust connector, power delivery of up to 100 watts, while simultaneously transferring up to 10 gigabits of data and video over the same line. And communicating devices can request different voltage levels for greater flexibility. Let's show you a current NXP demo board solution. We'll start with 2 boards. One is the dock, the other is the host. Connecting them is a USB Type-C cable. Next, we're going to insert a USB 3.0 thumb drive with high-definition video into the dock board. The high-def video transfers across the Type-C cable, through the host board and onto a laptop via a USB 3.1 cable, where we can watch the video content from the thumb drive on the laptop's monitor. From there, the video is sent back to the host board via DisplayPort and across the Type-C cable to the dock board. This video is then displayed on monitor number 2 via DisplayPort to VGA. You can even unplug the power source from the dock board and everything still works because the dock board gets power from the host board over the Type-C cable. So, USB 3 data is going from the dock board to the host board, while the host board is powering the dock board. And it's all happening simultaneously through the USB Type-C cable. NXP offers an end-to-end secure USB Type-C solution, including high-speed crossbar switches, analog switches, redrivers, USB PD-PHY, CC logic controllers, load switches, AC to DC adapters, authentication devices, interface protection and filtering, MOSFETs, and microcontrollers. To learn more, visit nxp.com/USB-type-C.
And that will be all from us. We hope you like it and thanks for watching.